Hi, this is Michaela from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and today we are going to do an unboxing video on the Maytronics Explorer E50 robotic pool cleaner. The Dolphin Explorer line is made up of robots that are easy to use, provide the deepest clean, and are the most efficient operation on the market today. The entire Explorer line consumes an average of 5 cents of energy per hour and is more energy efficient than suction and pressure side cleaners. Their dual scrubbing brushes and durable tracks generate friction that works to remove leaves, dirt, and debris on the floors, waterline, and walls as well. The Explorer Series robots use top load filtration with an extra large filter basket. The newest My Dolphin Plus app allows you to control your Dolphin right from your mobile device. Your Maytronics power supply is able to be connected to your phone via the My Dolphin Plus app. EasyTest Pool Supplies is a proud authorized dealer of Maytronics Dolphin robotic pool cleaners with extensive experience and knowledge. We would be happy to advise you and answer any questions that you may have. Visit us in-store or online today. Thank you for watching.